Hello, good morning. So today we are going to do the quick revision of the type of the hybridized orbital. Like the type of hybridization, what kind of hybridization is the molecule having, because we get a lot of questions about this one. So this is the shortcut formula. You can see here H is equal to half into valence electron. V is the valence electron, H is the hybridization, but whatever the molecule will come in the last, whatever the number will come in the last, we will write here, plus monovalent atom minus cation plus anion. So V, here V indicates the valence electron of central metal atom. M is a monovalent atom. The name monovalent in itself, it means single. Monovalent atom, it is like hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all these are monovalent atoms. Sodium, the group 1 elements, hydrogen, helium, helium is the second group element, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, all these are the monovalent atoms. Then comes to the C, charge on the cation, if any positive charge, then we have to minus it, plus charge of anion. If there is any negative charge, then what we have to do is we have to add it. So if the value of H comes out to be, if the value of the H comes out to be 2, then the type of hybridization will be sp. If it is 3, then it will be sp2, 4 sp3, 5 sp3d, 6 sp3d2, 7 sp3d3. One by one we will be discussing each and every example of it, and we will be seeing if a molecule is having the positive charge, how will it go, if it is having the negative charge, how will it go. We will be doing all of these one by one, and let us also see the shapes. So if it is sp to sp, it will be linear shape, sp2 trigonal planar. In case of sp3, 4, then it will be tetrahedral shape, 5 trigonal bipyramidal. In case of 6, it will be octahedral, and 7, it will be pentagonal bipyramidal. Let us start. Let us take the example of CO2. CO2. So here the central metal atom is carbon. Carbon is having the atomic number of 6. First shell 2 electrons, second shell 4 electrons. So half into the number of valence electron 4. Monovalent atom, there is no monovalent atom, as we are having here only the oxygen. So it will be 0. There is no positive charge, 0. There is no negative charge, 0. So what it will be? 2. So hybridized orbital, it comes to be 2. So hybridization will be sp and the shape will be linear. Now let us come to the second example, that is BF3. Here boron. The atomic number of boron is 5. First shell 2 electrons, second shell 3 electrons, that is Kl. L shell is having the 3 electrons. So 3. Number of monovalent atom 3 fluorine we are having. There is no positive charge, plus there is no negative charge. Overall divided by 2, half into 6, it comes to be 3. So the hybridization is sp and 2. It means 2 p orbitals will be taking part in it, one of the px and one will be the py. Now let us take another example like H3O positive. So here what we are having is here oxygen and 3 hydrogen. So here what we get in confusion is like, what is the central metal atom? So the central metal atom is here oxygen, First shell 2 electrons, second shell 6 electron. So it is 6. Monovalent atom, hydrogens are 3. There is a positive charge, so -1. There is no negative charge, 0. So it will be like half into 6 plus 3, 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So it will be 4. 4 means sp3. So H3O positive is having sp3 hybridization. Right? Now let us come to the another example, which is CH3 negative. So here central metal atom is here carbon 2, 4, atomic number 6. Second shell is having the 4 electron, valence electrons. So 4 plus monovalent atom 3 minus no positive charge, it means 0, plus a 9, it means 1. So what comes here? 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. So value comes out to be sp3. So CH3 negative as well as H3O positive, both are having sp3 hybridization and both are having the tetrahedral shapes. So now come to the PCl5, phosphorus. Phosphorus is having the atomic number of 15. So K shell 2 electron, L shell 5, 8 electrons, M shell K, L, M 5 electrons. So the number of valence electrons are here 5. Monovalent atom chlorine is 5. Chlorine is halogens and the group number 1. Both are monovalent. So here 5. No cation, no anion. So here what comes here? 5. So the hybridization will be sp3 and D. So it will be having the trigonal bipyramidal shape. Right? Now let us take the example of XeF4, xenon products. They are rarely formed. Right? So xenon belongs to the group number 18. Inert gas it is. So it is having inert gas. They all have the 8 electrons in their valence shell. So here we have 4 monovalent atom minus cation plus a 9. So it will be 12 and what we'll get here is 6. So it will be like sp3. How many left? 2. So it will be sp3d2. So this is a quick reason, because in the exam we have most of the questions like what is the hybridization, and at that time we cannot think of anything else. We need the shortcut formula to calculate. So this is like half into monovalent atom, half into valence electron plus monovalent atom minus cation plus a 9. Just remember this thing and you can track any of the hybridization. For example, you want to calculate of I3 negative. So how will you do it? There is no central metal atom, there is no side atom. So what will you do is consider one of the iodine as a central metal atom and the 2 iodine as the side atoms. So half into iodine, all the halogens, they have 7 valence electrons. So number of monovalent atom, it will be 2. There is no positive charge, plus there is a negative charge of 1. So here what comes? 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 5. So I3 negative is having the shape of sp3d. sp3d, it means it is having the trigonal bipyramidal. How will it get arranged? Look here. Because we are having only the 3 iodines. So this is the central. One goes to the axial, other goes to the axial, and the equatorial positions are all vacant. Like this it will go. And it will be having the overall charge of negative. Right? So one more. Let us take the example of NO3 negative. Right? So nitrogen, atomic number 7. Right? First shell 2 electron, L shell 5 electrons. So half into 5 plus no monovalent atom. So 0 plus cation, there is no positive charge, minus anion. Anion, we are having minus cation plus anion. Right? So half, 5 plus 1, 6. So we get here 3. So the hybridization will be here sp2. So this is the quick revision of the hybridization. You can calculate any kind with this formula. I hope this is helpful to you. Thanks a lot. See you again. Bye bye.